Welcome into the channel, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Today I am going to be putting together a recipe for a coconut chai bundt cake. I'm going to be using a dry chai spice powder by Watkins Spice Company. And I got to tell you, I tried this in my tea and it is really, really good. It just brings your teas or whatever food you're trying it with to a whole different level. So I highly recommend it. I'm not getting paid for this, but it's something good and I thought I would share if you've never tried it before. So again, Watkins Chai Spice Powder. Alrighty, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. To prepare my pan, I'm using butter Crisco shortening, coconut oil, and flour. Moving over to my mixing bowl, I'm mixing together my butter and sugar. Cranking up the speed here to get that fluffy texture that I'm looking for, and also to make sure my sugar crystals are fully dissolved. I'm adding in my chai powder. While my butter and sugar mixture is still mixing, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my flour, adding in my baking powder and my salt. I'm sifting my ingredients together to make sure everything is incorporated really well. Okay, so we're back over at the mixing bowl, scraping down my bowl before adding in my eggs. I'm going to add in one whole egg and then I'll add in one egg yolk. I'm making sure that each egg or the yolk is mixed in well before adding the next egg. Scraping down the bowl again. Adding in my baking soda and my vinegar mixture. Alright, I'm going in now to add in my dry and wet mix, and I'm trying to mix this batter in intervals of 3, starting with my 1 cup of flour, adding half of my coconut milk, another cup of flour, the remainder of the coconut milk, and finish off with my last cup of flour. Now, as you can see here, I have some dry patches of flour on the sides of the bowl. Not worrying about that because you can simply fold it into the batter and then go ahead and hit it with the final mix. My cake has been cooling for about 15 minutes, and we're now going to go ahead and turn it out of the pan and see what we have. The coconut oil that I used to prepare my pan gave the outer edges the exact crunch that I was looking for. Now, after tasting this cake, the English language does not even do it justice to try and verbalize how moist and crunchy and chewy all at the same time this cake is. My goodness. I was going to add some ice cream to it, but I don't even want the ice cream flavor to interfere with the flavor of this cake. It is just that good, I kid you not. I think this may be the best cake that I've made so far. Wow. Wow, this cake is delish. Oh my goodness. And you have to eat it warm. That's the best way to have it. My goodness. Wow. This is so good. I'm gonna eat a whole slice of this cake, and I rarely do that. I'm gonna end this video now, and Yah willing, I will see you guys on the next one.